Oh my guess. Would you rather? Dogs at a shun, which dog do you prefer? Before starting, subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started. Would you rather have an Australian Shepherd or Akita? Would you rather have a Bernese Mountain Dog or a Beagle? Would you rather have a Bloodhound or a Bick and Freeze? Who is the cutest? Would you rather have a Border Collie or a Boxer Dog? Would you rather have a Bullmastiff or a Bulldog? Would you rather have a Chihuahua or a Cavalier King? They are so cute. Would you rather have a Collie or a Cocker Spaniel? So beautiful. Would you rather have a Dachshund or a Doberman Pinscher? Would you rather have a German Shepherd or a French Bulldog? Would you rather have a Golden Retriever or a Great Dane? Would you rather have a Havanese or Irish Setter? I want to adopt them all. Would you rather have a Labrador Retriever or Maltese? Would you rather have a Newfoundland or miniature Schnauzer? Would you rather have a Pembroke Welsh or Pomeranian? Who is the cutest? Would you rather have a Rhodesian Ridgeback or a Poodle? Would you rather have a Rottweiler or a Samoyed? The Samoyed, my favorite. Would you rather have a Shetland Sheepdog or a Shiba Inu? They are cute. Would you rather have a Siberian Husky or a Shih Tzu? Siberian Husky, my favorite. Would you rather have a VIZSLA or a Staffordshire Bull Terrier? Would you rather have a Weimaraner or a Yorkshire Terrier? Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun.